Welcome to this tutorial covering responses and rules creation. For each of Mockoon's API endpoints, multiple responses can be defined, with specific characteristics like status, body, and headers, and triggered using a set of rules. Let's create a new route by clicking on the blue Add Route button. We can customize the body with a basic JSON object. There is always at least one response when you create a new route, with a 200 status code. We are going to create another response returning a 401 status code when the authorization header is not present in the request. To add a new response, click on the blue plus button next to the response list. You can also duplicate a route or delete it by clicking the buttons on the right. The blue flag in the menu indicates which response will be served by default when no rule matches, or when rules are ignored. We will keep the flag on our 200 success response. The next step is to customize our response. Let's change the status code to 401 unauthorized, and add a description, error unauthorized. Here too, we can customize the body with a generic JSON object. The final step is to set up a rule on the response, so it is only served when the authorization header is absent. Click on the Rules tab and on the Add Rule button. In the new rule, select Header and enter Authorization as the header name. Finally, select Null as the value instead of equals. You can now test your setup by calling your Mock API with and without an authorization header. Thank you for watching.